Hello friends, welcome to Tech Tips. In previous lecture you have learned that how to create a Spring Boot project with Spring Initializer. You know that we have to use build tool like Maven or Gradle to build our Spring Boot project. In this lecture we will learn how to install the Spring Boot Maven and Gradle into Spring Boot project. In this quick article, we will discuss installing Spring Boot with the build tools that is Maven and Gradle. As we know that Spring Boot requires Java 1.8 or higher. Before you begin, you should check your current Java installation by using the following command. Java version. If you are running Linux or Ubuntu, you can type this command Java version. If you are running in Windows, you can use Java/v or Java/version. Spring Boot provides beautiful Spring Boot CLI feature to quickly experiment with Spring Boot. If you are new to Java development or if you want to experiment with Spring Boot, you might want to try. You can try also Spring Boot CLI first. You can learn Spring Boot CLI. Installation instruction for the Java developer. We can use Spring Boot in the same way as any standard Java library. To do so, include the appropriate Spring Boot jar files on your class path. Spring Boot does not require any special tools integration, so you can use any IDE or text editor. Also, there is nothing special about a Spring Boot application, so you can run and debug a Spring Boot application as you would any other Java program. Although you could copy Spring Boot jars, Spring Boot team generally recommend that we use a build tool that supports dependency management, such as Maven or Gradle. Let's discuss how to use or install Spring Boot with Maven and Gradle. Maven installation. Spring Boot is compatible with Apache Maven 3.3 or above. If you do not already have Maven installed, you can follow the instruction at Maven official website. Spring Boot dependency use org.springframework.boot group ID. Typically, new Maven POM file inherits from the Spring Boot starter parent project and declare dependencies to one or more starters. Spring Boot also provides an optional Maven plugin to create executable jars. The following list shows a typical pom.xml file. This is a sample of pom.xml file. Here parent project dependency is included Spring Boot starter.parent. In the dependency section, you have added the Spring Boot starter web, and in the plugins we have added the Maven plugins into it. All Spring Boot projects typically use Spring Boot starter parent as the parent Maven in pom.xml. Spring Boot starter parent allows us to manage the following things to multiple child project and modules. Spring Boot Maven plugin. The Spring Boot Maven plugin provides many convenient features. It collects all the jars on the class path and builds a single runnable jar, which makes it more convenient to execute and transport your service. It searches for public static void main method to flag as a runnable class. It provides built-in dependency resolver that sets the version number to match Spring Boot dependency. You can override any version you wish, but it will be default to Boot's chosen set of versions. Now look at the Gradle installation. Spring Boot is compatible with Gradle 4. If you do not already have Gradle installed, you can follow the instruction at Gradle official website. Spring Boot dependencies can be declared by using the org Spring Boot group. Typically, your parent declares the dependency to one or more starters. Spring Boot provides a useful Gradle plugin that can be used to simply dependency declaration and to create executable jar. The Gradle REPL provides a nice way of obtaining Gradle when you need to build a project. It is a small script and library that you commit alongside your code to bootstrap the build process This is a sample of Gradle file. All plugin install, jar name, dependencies that you will require to build your project. That's it. This is done for the installation of Gradle and Maven. As this tutorial is very helpful to the beginners who want to start with the Spring Boot project with Maven and Gradle. Thank you for watching it. Stay tuned for next lectures.